Westermans here with a machine which has just arrived, which is a longitudinal seam welder, an AMET, which is a model LSWPB 75, which will give you a maximum diameter of 800, a welding length of 75mm, even though I've just checked the machine itself, it will actually do a 200mm weld length, and minimum diameter on there is 46mm. Nice controls, which is linked up to the Miller. For this purpose, we'll just do a quick test of the machine to make sure it's functioning. Machine is obviously working as it should do. Of course, there's no welding on at this present time. This will all be done later. More details can be found on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.